Today we're making sweet beet hearts, perfect for Valentine's Day or to get your little ones to try this delicious vegetable. Begin by trimming off the tops and then the base. And the greens are actually really tasty to saute. They're full of vitamins. And then once you have those cut off, give it a quick wash. Placing it upside down, you'll want to cut it into slices as thin as you can carefully. And this already mimics the general silhouette of a heart shape. So it's a lot easier to start this way than rounds, that I find. Starting with the middle slices, which are already more heart-shaped, I like to just cut a little V on top right above the center line, and then you can take some of the excess off around the V shape so that it makes a more round top. So just a couple cuts on these center pieces, which is nice. And then as you get into more of the side pieces, you'll have to trim off some of the side, making it a triangle and then into your heart shape. You can actually save all these little trimmed pieces. I'll show you a recipe to make with those right here. Check out the recipe for beet colored quinoa. Look at that color. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and lay your beautiful hearts out on an oiled baking sheet, and then spray with more olive oil so every piece is coated, and sprinkle some salt on top, and then roast it. And the roasting time is going to vary depending on how thick the pieces are, so set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes. Keep checking on them, flipping them, and you can take the smaller pieces out early so they don't burn, and then the rest of them will be done eventually, and voila!